Assalamualaikum and good morning everyone. Welcome to my Science Year 1 class. For today, we are going to learn about the use of human senses, kegunaan deria pada manusia. Alright, let's do some revision on the 5 senses that we have learned before. Sense of sound or sense of hearing, we use our ear to hear. Sense of touch, we use our skin to touch. Sense of smell, we use our nose to smell. Sense of sight, we use our eyes to see. And sense of taste, we use our tongue to taste the food. Okay, these are all the 5 senses that we have learned. Now, let's look at this picture. There is a power failure. Linda is unable to see in the dark. Okay, there is no electricity. Linda couldn't see in the dark. So, she wants to look for her torch. So, what sense that she can use? Can she use the sense of sight? No, she can't use her sense of sight because it's dark, okay, gelap. She couldn't use her sense of sight to look for her torch. Can she use the sense of smell? Can she smell the torch? No, she can't smell the torch because the torch did not produce any smell. Okay, how about the sense of taste? Can she taste the torch? No, the torch is not a food, so she can't taste the torch. Okay, how about sense of hearing? Can she hear the torch? Can she hear the torch? No, she can't hear because the torch did not produce any sound. Okay, tak ada bunyi, so she couldn't hear it. So what sense that she can use? Yes, she can use her sense of touch to look for her torch. Alright, she can touch the torch. Okay, she can touch the objects. Okay, how does Linda know that the object she touches is a torch? Okay, let's think. Okay, mari fikirkan. How does Linda know? Yes, she knows because she has experience of touching the torch before. Okay, dia ada pengalaman memegang torchlight sebelum ni. So, she knows the shape of the torchlight. She knows how does it feel. So, she knows that it is the torchlight. Right? Now, as a conclusion, when a sense is not functioning properly, apabila satu deria tak dapat berfungsi dengan betul, we can still use other senses. Kita boleh guna deria yang lain. For example, this blind man. Okay, he can't see, so he cannot use his sense of sight. However, he can use his sense of touch. Okay, he can touch the ground, he can touch the objects. Right? This blind man, he wants to eat durian. Okay, so what sense that he can use? He can use his sense of taste to taste the durian, and he also can use his sense of touch to touch the durian. Okay, how about the sense of smell? Yes, he can use his sense of smell to smell the durian, but he can't use his sense of sight, okay, because he is blind. And then sense of hearing also he can't use because durian did not produce any sound. Okay, so he can use his 3 senses to taste, to smell, and to touch the durian. Okay, now tools that help our sensory organs when it is not functioning properly. Okay, alat yang boleh membantu deria kalau tidak berfungsi dengan betul. Okay, let's look at these spectacles. Spectacles are used when the eyes unable to see clearly. Okay, if our eyes can't see distant object, okay, objek yang jauh or near object yang terlalu dekat, so we use our spectacles to help us, okay, membantu kita untuk see. Okay, now this hearing aid can help the sense of hearing that does not function properly. If our sense of hearing tidak berfungsi dengan betul, okay, tidak berfungsi dengan baik, we can use this hearing aid to help someone who has hearing problem, masalah pendengaran. He can use this hearing aid. Okay, these are examples of the tools that we can use if our sense does not function properly. Okay, dua contoh alat. Okay, kalau ada masalah dalam kita punya deria, okay, does not function, tidak berfungsi dengan baik. Okay, now let's do this exercise in your activity book, page 27. Color the boxes with the senses that can be used in the following situation. Situation number 1, okay, is dark. Okay, he wants to look for his torch. What sense that he can use to look for the torch? Okay, you color the answer. Then situation number 1, I can't smell this food because I have flu. So what says that he can use to eat? He wants to eat. Can he use the sense of sight to touch the food? Yes. How about sense of hearing? Does the food produce any sound? No. Sense of smell. He said just now, I can't smell. Okay. How about sense of touch? Can he touch the food? Okay. Sense of taste. Can he taste the food? Okay. So you color the senses. Okay. There are more than one answer here. So you color the senses that he can use. Alright. Now, vision aids. Okay, Alia cannot see distant objects clearly. Okay, objek yang jauh. Her mother, Puan Fatimah, takes her to an optometrist. Okay, number 1. What is Alia's problem? Apakah masalah Alia? Okay, number 2. What is the sense that does not function well? Okay, apakah diri yang tidak berfungsi dengan betul, dengan baik? Number 3. What kind of aids that can help to solve Alia's problem? Apakah alat yang boleh membantu masalah Alia? Okay. Alright. I hope you understand this lesson and don't forget to do your work. Okay, if you don't understand, you can text me. Alright? Thank you for watching my video. Okay, goodbye.